I'm Adam with Bulls Bikes USA, introducing our Bulls e-bikes for 2018. We're here at Interbike. This is our brand new display. Bulls is really excited this year to introduce our new line of Bosch Performance CX. As you may know, we've been working with Bosch since the beginning with our counterparts in Germany since before 2010. We've loved our partnership with Bosch, and this year we're introducing Bosch's new Power Tube. Sleek integration on their already amazing system. We'll be using the Performance Line CX with 75 Newton meters of torque and 350 watts of power. And again, the Power Tube will still be the same 500 watt-hour battery that we've come to love. A super efficient motor. On this is the 650 Evo M4 that has this system on it. We'll have two other bikes with this identical system, but this comes with the Fox Float 150 millimeter travel, as well as Monkey Link technology. Monkey Link is an integrated electric system that allows us to run magnetic lights. Come on and off easily using a magnet, and the battery, it's fully integrated, so the electricity runs right from the battery through the motor to the light. We'll also have a dropper seat post and the new Purion display from Bosch, low profile, hard to break off while you're riding, and round that all out with Shimano XTR components. Sweet, sweet bike. Monkey Link magnets for your bottle carrier. All right. So you can see here we have our current model year bikes still here. These have been some of the most popular bikes from 2017, still available now. And then we move to, if you like the 650 Evo AM4, it's slightly spec'd down. Younger brother 650 Evo AM3 will be available as well in 2018 for a little bit less. Main difference here is instead of the XTR, we're running XT, and we're still running a RockShox Yari. This model will also come in the 650 Evo AM2 with Bulls shocks and so on and so forth. Slightly even more economical option. All right. Then we move to our Broza, our new Broza bike, the Eastream Evo AM4 27.5 Plus. Keep in mind that for 2018, most of our mountain bikes will come with dropper seat posts, Monkey Link technology, and plus tires. Huge bonus here. So you still have the Monkey Link bottle cage. But this year, Broza has a brand new motor, the Drive S. The Drive S uses heat-resistant technology, which improves the power over sustained power and power curve over your entire ride. This Eastream Evo AM4 27.5 Plus comes with 150 millimeters of travel, 200 millimeter Magura brakes, Shimano XT, and RockShox Lyric, and again Monkey Link technology with a new Marquard display. There's a new, much brighter display, and still has the sleek integration of our former CSI display. I'm going to have my friend Diego help me show you this bike here. This is our Ecore Evo ENDI2 27.5 Plus. This is our introduction of Shimano E8000 motor to the US market. So what's different about this bike is you'll notice the 180, that's 180 millimeters of travel, brought to you by RockShox Lyric. Full suspension, Shimano XT. It's Di2 full integration running off the battery. So a word about the batteries. This is Bulls' proprietary twin core technology. So this bike comes with a 375 watt-hour battery with an option to upgrade to a second 375 watt-hour battery for a total of 750 watt-hours. This is a crazy range. Each battery gives you 70 to 80 optimal conditions. So with two of them, you're looking at over 150 mile range. The other thing that Shimano has done is they've integrated Bluetooth technology, and their new app called eTube, which will allow the rider more control over the system, allowing them to do software upgrades from home, not having to go back into the shop. Incredible technology here. Now, the little brother of the Ecore Evo EN Di2 27.5 Plus is the Ecore Di2 FS 27.5 Plus. This is our all-mountain version, again with Shimano XT, fully integrated Di2, Shimano's integrated 500 watt-hour battery, 150 millimeter travel, and all of the bells and whistles that we just saw here on the EN will be available on the all-mountain version. Backed by popular demand, the Monster EFS. This is our full suspension fat bike, eFat bike, with again with the Bosch Performance Line CX 500 watt-hour battery, RockShox Bluto, Shimano XT. Similar to last year, this bike was so popular we couldn't keep up with demand, so we're bringing it back. But this year with the Purion display, giving you great readout, great visibility, but lower profile. Really excited about this, about bringing the Monster EFS back. All right, ladies, we heard you, and here's your Mingi Eet R1, 120 millimeter travel, women-specific geometry, Bosch Performance Line CX, badass plus tires, 500 watt-hour battery, Suntour XCR shocks, and the Purion display, Monkey Link ready to go for your lights, and a remote lockout for your front shock. And we're proud and excited to introduce the 24E. Hello to family rides. This is Junior's ride, perfect for that youth that wants to keep up with mom and dad or lead the ride on their Bosch Drive Active Line Plus, slightly lower torque, so they don't get into too much trouble, but with the 500 watt-hour battery, Purion, and a 65 millimeter travel with the Suntour XCT front shock. And now we move to our city line. Our Lucubra Evo E45 has been one of our most popular rides for 2017. This is a 28 mile an hour speed pedelec fitted with the Broza motor and 650 watt-hour battery, one of the biggest with any mid-drive in the industry. For 2018, we're excited to announce its follow-up, the Kuba Evo 45S, again Broza with the speed motor, 650 watt-hour battery, this time with another frame style option in what we call the Wave, and this is the ultra low step, and it also comes in the diamond frame and traditional step-through frame. This one hits a little bit lower price point because it's fitted with the still reliable Shimano Dior, as well as the 180 millimeter hydraulic brakes by Magura. And then we move to the Cross E8 Bosch Active Line Plus, smaller motor, more efficient motor, slightly less torque and power, but great for those city rides, trips to the grocery store. 3 frame styles, a Shimano Alivio 8-speed, and the Bosch Purion display. And then we move to the Bosch Speed selection. This is the Cross Mover Speed, runs Shimano SLX, the Performance Line Speed by Bosch, 500 watt-hour battery, 3 frame styles with ability to run a bottle cage on this top tube. This is the step-through frame. Adjustable stem, Bosch Purion, even has a bell. Rack fitted for your trip across the country or across town. Again, performance speed, so you're cruising at 28 miles an hour on this really sleek, lighter weight commuter trekking option. Also from Bosch, we have the Urban Evo. This will be our 28 mile an hour speed pedelec performance line from Bosch, performance line speed from Bosch, with the power tube that we saw earlier on the AM4 on our mountain bikes. This will be available in 2018 as well. 65 millimeter Suntour front fork for to soak up those potholes. 700C tires, flat rack for an aggressive yet still comfortable ride. Flat handlebars for a aggressive but still comfortable ride. And Shimano Dior group set. And then if you remember from last year, we had the 650 E2 Street. It was a hardtail urban assault vehicle is what I like to call it. And this year we have its younger, more badass brother, 650 TR Street, which is our full suspension commuter bike. Metal fenders, the Bosch Performance Speed, 500 watt-hour battery, Purion display, Shimano Dior. This dual suspension, 120 millimeter travel front and back, and a remote lockout in the front. right? This is the Cruiser E with the Bosch ActiveLine Plus. 8-speed internal Nexus hub. Really sleek frame design, the kind of the wave frame design. Great cruiser, comfortable seat, and the Purion display with a really, really fancy classic looking headlight by Fusion. And it comes with Magura's hydraulic rim brakes and a brake lock on the back. And our most economical choice for 2018 is the Cross E. Comes complete with a Bosch ActiveLine with Alivio external 8-speed, adjustable stem. The rack battery is for the Wave version, and then we use the traditional Bosch setup for the step through and diamond frame. Again, adjustable stem, and this uses the classic Intuvia display with handlebar controller, and of course, our bell. Now, 2017, our most popular bike overall was the Kuba Evo E8, particularly the Wave. So for this year, we're bringing it back. The main difference in this one is using a chain instead of the carbon belt drive. We'll still have the 180 millimeter disc brakes. We're on the Shimano Nexus 8-speed internal hub and the great, easy to read, visible Broza display. Well, thanks for watching. This is some of the models that we'll have for 2018. Check out our website, bullsebikes.com, for more availability on our current year models and more models to come for 2018.